Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's time. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's time. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see. Messages for Capricorn. Temperance, Nine of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. Capricorn, right now, you are working towards your goals. You are concentrating on your career. And you are patiently waiting for something. And you want to restore the balance within yourself. Temperance, you are practicing patience. And Nine of Wands, you are guarded up right now. Yes, you are protecting your heart and your emotions. So let's see your reading recent past, the moon, 8 of cups and 10 of cups. So there are some issues going between you and your person, and you want 10 of cups happiness from your person, but it was not happened. So you decided to move on because 8 of cups walking away. One person is walked away in this connection. According to me, it's you. Because there are some trust issues between you and your person. Maybe this person is in and out of your life. Yeah, trust issues because 7 of swords is here. Definitely one person is sneaky in this connection, playing games, mind games especially. Then present 3 of pentacles, 10 of pentacles, and death. There is no partnership between you and your person. There is no collaboration. That's why you started focusing on your career. In relationship, it is one type of ending because the death card is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or Pisces especially. So there is no partnership, there is no collaboration, but you are more focused on your money, on your abundance, and there is financial stability is coming. Future, 7 of swords, Knight of swords, and 10 of wands. You are feeling overburdened. Maybe you have more responsibilities like family, work, etc. That's why you're feeling overburdened. For some, you're feeling your emotions are running high. But someone is coming to rush, someone is rushing to talk with you because to communicate with you, Knight of swords energy. For some, this could be a new person. For some, it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. But someone is rushing to communicate. But there are some trust issues between you and your person. If it is this person, definitely they are sneaky. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Pisces and Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. 4 of swords, no contact situation right now between both of you, and Ace of wands and 5 of swords. Maybe they hurt you in past, but they still attracted to you. They want passionate new beginnings with you, but right now they're doing meditation to heal their self completely. So let's see their current feelings, Capricorn. Let's see their intentions also. Hangman and Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you, Capricorn. Right now they're stuck on you, they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. So now your person want to work on this relationship. In past, there is no equal give and take in this relationship, but now maybe your person is in and out of your life because nights always come and go, there is no stability. But now they're stuck on you, they started thinking about you very seriously. So let's see, Six of Swords, Magician, and Wheel of Fortune, their feelings. So for some, maybe your person is a manipulator. If you already know that your person is a manipulator and sneaky, then there is no point to wait, because here this is general reading. So everyone's situation is different from others. Take messages, okay? And Six of Swords, yes, definitely they want to fix the things between both of you. For some, your person doing manifestation, and Wheel of Fortune, and they are waiting for right time. Intentions, Queen of Wands, King of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. So they're gonna make action. They wanna take action. And Queen of Wands. For some, your person may be very aggressive in nature. And King of Pentacles. So they want to offer stability. And they do love you. Yes, they love you. If you are in relationship, they want to take to next level. If you are in separation or no contact, definitely they will make a move towards you. But if this person is really sneaky, then there is no point to continue, guys. Again, I am saying. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. The Moon. I think 2 times the Moon card came in this reading, and Ten of Swords. They want rebirth in this connection. They are realizing that you are their sunshine, you are their happiness, but still there are some misunderstandings between you and your person. They have romantic feelings towards you. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, also Leo or Sagittarius. Yeah, a lot of drama is going, Capricorn. Yeah, you both, I think Ten of Swords energy, High Priestess, you listening to your intuition, you trusting your intuition. And for some third party situation also involved in this connection. For some, you are very tired and very drained in this connection. For some, it is one type of ending between you and your person. Because Ten of Swords, you want to give up. But at somewhere, one point of view, still wanting this person back. So let's say mutual. Because you are fed up with this drama, unnecessary things. Lot of drama is going, Capricorn. Chariot. Maybe one person deciding to cut off other person from their life and want to move on. Chariot with Queen of Swords. But here King of Cups is justice. Maybe second chances. For some, there will be a chance for second chances, because King of Cups is a so you both have love and justice, marriage card. So for some there will be reconciliation, but very few there will be maybe one type of ending between you and your person. It depends, because this is general reading. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. All I want is you. I'm crazy about you. Or I want to be with you forever. Options and holding back. So the messages are, I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. All I want is you. I'm crazy about you. Options, I want to be with you forever. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Have faith in your dreams. Balance spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. So if you are not doing any meditation, if you are not in spirituality, so this is the message for you. Do meditation, start meditation to heal yourself and have faith in your dreams. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.